What's comfortable? This gets the flavor profile out, right?
คนที่เป็นยิ่ง
So, well no, practical, well, first garlic. Pound to release the flavor. Well, I don't think we need to talk that much. We
โอ
might
เค
just,
พูดถึงพริก
the peel comes out
พูดถึงพริ
easily.
กพูดถึงพริก
Oh no, I need to cut the garlic.
ไม่มาตรฐานเลยระวังมือ
Oh, you're right. Do we put garlic in the nam dim Thai?
yes
We do?
yes
And then this is another tip. See, we're demonstrating the tip of cooking, chopping finely. That's a tip. See? That's already a tip. Okay. Now, yes. A practical tip. A lot of us don't have the Thai chili, so you can use jalapeno, but make sure you use the seeds, because the seeds are the spice. So you'll maybe only need a little bit, but chop it finely to activate the seeds. Right? Oh, I don't know if there's anything to say. It has these seeds.
the big lemon from our
Big lime. Lemon?
yeah
From our big yarn. This is not, I'm not very good at it. It has the seeds. Okay. Pull back the camera a little bit. Pull it back. No, I'm sorry, you're short. About, what do you think?
พอแล้ว
Ah, you think this is it? You think so? I think you need more.
yeah
For all of this.
no เพราะเราต้องเติมน้ำตาลนิดเดียวเองเพิ่ง
Oh, you're right. Okay. Set microwave,
ไมโครเวฟ
30 seconds.
This is just Thai dipping sauce in general.
Gonna record. Now keep it. I think 2 spoons at least. So to make it better,
with the dry chili oh my god it's so spicy
oh, that's great.
อันนี้
Oh yeah. Let me ask you, what are the dishes in Thailand that use celery?
พอยำวุ้นเส้น
Okay, what's another one?
พอยำปลาหมึกยำซีฟู้ดยำโป๊ะแตกยำอะไรทั้งหลาย
So how finely, we have to cut it kind of fine, right? Is the white part okay, or you only want the green part? All of it? Like this?
Yeah. It's up to you. You want to look fine. Look nice and fine. Very fine. Okay.
So yeah, all this doesn't have to be recorded. You can stop.
Okay. This one you can use for the ยำวุ้นเส้น or ยำปลาหมึก or ยำกุ้ง or ยำอะไรทั้งหลายที่มันเปรี้ยวๆเผ็ดๆหวาน
The tamarind. Let's just talk about it. What's a handy way? Do you know any tricks for removing this? You just kind of pull it.
We have to soak in the water
Oh, you soak in
So
water.
so that it's the juice coming out from the.
Just an example.
We can use this for gang som. Gang som, yeah, use for gang som.
And then as you massage it,
yeah. Usually,
The flavor starts to come
if it's harder, you can put it in the microwave.
or boil it. I boil it.
Yeah.
And as you
Yeah. You can use for making the.
and remove the seed too.
Yeah, you usually soak and put in the microwave. That's all. And the juice coming out is make it sour, and then you can use for some time too. Or you can use for แกงส้มอะไรแกงที่เผ็ดๆทั้งหลายเผ็ดๆเปรี้ยวๆ